Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to do the if error function in Excel. It's an extremely useful function in Excel for those who are regularly using Excel for performing different kind of calculations with function and formulas and are facing different kind of errors in your formulas as well. So if error is the savior here. So let's see an example. So here I have a data set of a football tournament and I have calculated shots per game by simply just dividing total shots of the players with their games played numbers. So here you can see I have got dividend errors since I have divided the total shots sometimes by 0. Sometimes the players have played 0 games. So I got dividend errors. You may get many errors like the number errors, value errors as well. In that case, you can use the if error function as well to avoid that scenario. So how can I fix this? So I'll just use the if error function here just before my previous formula. I will type if error, select the if error, and the value in the if error function is the formula itself. So my formula will be the value. I'll give comma to it and the value if error. So what value do I want in return if error is found? So I want it to return 0 if error is found, and I will close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see that now the errors are gone now, and I have fixed this error scenario. So this is how you can use the if error function and avoid the errors in your formulas. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.